Atmospheric pressure. In this lesson, we will learn about air pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by the atmosphere of Earth. The envelope of gases surrounding the Earth or any other planet is called atmosphere. It extends up to 800 kilometers above the Earth. An air pressure of 9.8 Newton unit square centimeter is exerted on our body. But we do not collapse because there is air pressure present within us. The force within us balances the force pushing us from outside. The pressure inside our body is roughly the same as the pressure outside, so there is no net pressure on us. Atmospheric pressure can be measured using a barometer. It is mainly used in meteorology. The bar is a metric unit of pressure. It is exactly equal to 1 lakh Pascal. It is approximately equal to the atmospheric pressure on Earth at sea level. Now, let us perform some experiments on air pressure. Take two identical plastic bottles, A and B. Fill cold water in bottle A and hot water in bottle B. Put the lids on the bottles and keep them undisturbed for some time. Next, remove the bottle caps and pour the water down the drain. Put back the lids of the bottles. Next, place both the bottles inside the refrigerator for 5 minutes. What do you observe? Nothing happens to bottle A, but bottle B gets crushed. The air inside bottle B expands due to the hot water. When the bottle is placed inside the refrigerator, the sudden cooling creates a partial vacuum. The extremely low pressure of the partial vacuum inside the forces the higher pressure of the air outside the can to crush it. This experiment thus proves that air has pressure. To perform this experiment, you will require 2 straws, a glass soda bottle, some water, and some clay. Fill half the soda bottle with water. Put 2 straws in the bottle so that the ends are under the surface of the water. Seal the mouth of the bottle with clay to prevent air from entering inside the bottle. Next, try to sip some water through one straw with the second one left open. Now again try to sip water, but this time close the second straw by keeping a finger pressed over it. In the first case, when you sip water, the atmospheric pressure becomes lower. It pushes the surface of the water. Since pressure is transmitted equally in all directions, it will push the water up the straw and into the mouth. In the second case, when you try to sip water with the second straw covered, it does not allow the atmosphere to push down on the surface of the water. Thus, water does not move up into the straw. This experiment proves that air has pressure. For this experiment, you will require 2 different colored straws, a glass of water, and a pin. First, using a yellow straw, drink water from the glass. Next, with the help of a pin, make 1 or 2 holes in the blue straw. Try sipping water from the glass using this straw. When you sip water using the yellow straw, the air pressure inside the straw is reduced. As the air pressure outside the straw is higher, it pushes down on the water, and in the process, forces some of the liquid up the straw. But the blue straw with the holes allows an endless supply of air to come in. Therefore, the air pressure is never reduced. and the liquid never travels up the straw. This experiment also proves that air has